Remember, if you are not going to delegate, you never going to get freedom. If you are not going to delegate, you never going to get growth. For your growth, for your freedom, for your success, the shortcut is delegation only. Remember that. So every aspect, everything, happily you can delegate. No problem at all. Each and every activity what you are doing, is there any chance to delegate? Is there any chance to delegate? Like if you have such type of delegation thinking, delegation mentality, I'm sure you are going to succeed like anything, friends. Okay, let me go for multiple examples so that you will have clear clarity. First, let me bring student example, business owner example, and employee example. At least one example is going to be connected with you people. Rahul shares notes with friends and studies together. Rahul is going to share his notes with his friends and study together. He uses recorded classes and shortcuts. He learns from teachers instead of struggling alone. He learns from teachers instead of struggling alone. He uses tools like summaries, videos like Rahul understand only one point. I should multiply my learning using others. I should multiply my learning using others with recorded sessions, with his friends, with his teachers, okay, with the systems. I should multiply my learning. Okay, like so what the result is fast learning, better understanding, more free time. More free time. More free time. But what about Asha? Asha case is completely different. Asha studies everything alone. She rewrites notes again and again. She does not use available resources. She wastes time on small things. But Asha belief is always, if I do everything myself, I will learn better. If I do everything myself, I will learn better. I will learn better. Okay, like, here, even my mentality also, earlier, Asha kind of mentality only. We have one faculty was there. We have one faculty was there. He asked, I required one assistant. For that assistant, you required to pay the salary. 2 assistants I required. Not only for me, for my assistants also you required to pay the salary 8,000 like. Sir, for which purpose those assistants were required like? My knowledge, they are going to do my research work. My required things they are going to provide support so that my time is not going to be wasted like he asked. He told. Really that day, I felt a bit negative. Array learning means you have to dig, you have to learn. You require to dig, you require to learn. Then only you can understand. If someone is going to digging and he is going to provide conclusion if you are going to use, you may not get complete picture. Like my personal feeling. No, my feeling was wrong. My feeling was wrong. Okay.